Hey, this will be a video chart on WAMUQ, Washington Mutual Incorporated. I can't remember quite the last time I did this, but I do know it was one of these days where it was up above this orange line here, which is the 200-day simple moving average, and at that time we were wanting the chart to just simply continue to pull away from it like it was doing a good job of here. Unfortunately, then it came down, and you can see right here the orange line did a very good job for about a week straight of providing support. But then unfortunately when the bulls did get below it, you can then see the effects. This downwards drift started to happen, and this area right here was doing a good job of providing support. You know, a couple weeks ago the price came down here, tested it, and then the past couple of days, you know, it's been holding that support. And then at the close of today, you can see that we have now closed below this area of support. And on top of that, it was pretty big volume, so it's one of those things where people saw the support break and decided to probably cut their losses, and that's what caused some of this volume to increase here. Just some stop losses going off and people deciding to just get out because this was a key area of support. So the first thing that pretty much needs to be done here is just going to change this to red because it is a resistance. I'm going to leave that line skinny because since technically it is resistance, but if there's another decent amount of buying volume, I don't think this would put up much of a fight in terms of the price getting back above it. But the key resistance areas for now is going to be this blue line here, and then this maroon line. Most recently, this blue line you can see right here is a great example. It's just been knocking down the price every time it gets up to there. But if the price we're able to get through it, you are still going to have to deal with this 20-day simple moving average right there also. Now, in terms of supports, the main question I got was, where's the next area of support? And that's down here at right around the 15.5 cent level. Now, you may be asking, well, where's this level coming from? If we do this, you can see that this level has has a lot of price history with the chart. You can see acted as resistance there, acted as resistance there again, acted as not resistance, support, acted as a support, and then one more time acted as a support before this big move happened here. So this level right here, like I said, around 15.5 cents, has some major history in the past of providing support, and there's really nothing else support-wise. So unless something news-wise happens or there's some good filing or something like that, it's looking like now it'll probably be a drift down to give this support area a test. And if that one can't hold, I can update it from that point. But I do think if history repeats itself, this should be another solid area of support, which will hopefully put up a good fight. And if anything, where a bounce would probably happen. But for now, at least from the charting perspective, there's really nothing to stop it until the price gets down to this area. And then this will hopefully be the area where the bulls really find some good solid buying down here. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. Like I said, I just want to keep this short. Just real quick in a nutshell, the two key resistances are going to be this blue line here, the 10-day, and then the 20-day, which is that maroon line. And because we have now broken below this support, the path of least resistance is now going to be down here to this support, which is right around the 15.5 cent area. So for you risk versus reward players out there, this and bottom feeders, this would probably be a good area down here to see if you can play any sort of bounce or anything like that. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So if you're interested, I'd encourage you to go to the site. We've been making some good money together, and check it out and sign up. One more time, this was WAMUQ. Thanks for listening.